Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 2 with the kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong. Let's get started. Let's repeat a few things of our last lesson. So last lesson, in our very first lesson, we talked about high and low sounding keys on the piano. We've learned about the different key groups. So the groups of 2 black keys, 3, 2, 3, 2. We talked about this repeating pattern, and we even looked for the doghouse D key on the piano, which was group of 2 in the middle. So there's a low one here, group of 2 in the middle, group of 2 in the middle, group of 2 in the middle. Okay, today's lesson we will learn about the musical alphabet. And we are going to need the kindergarten musical alphabet cards. And the first thing we want to do is we want to sort these. So our regular ABCs, what do they start with? With A. And what comes after A is B, C, D, E, F, and G. So if we try to find H in the stack here, we will not find any because this is it. This is the entire musical alphabet. It goes from A to G, and then it just starts over from A again. And then it would continue with B and so forth. So let's do this again, but this time we are going to start from the letter C. We have C, followed by D, E, F, G, and then what comes after G again in music? A, B, C, and so forth. Okay, we will do this one last time, and I highly recommend to repeat this as many times as you wish, but at least for like 2 or 3 times, I'd say. Let's start from D. D, E, F, G, and what comes after G in music? It starts over from A again. Okay, great. So once we're done with that, let's take out the cards C, D, E, and maybe some extra ones here. Okay. And we will focus on C, D, and E today. Let's see, we're gonna try to find these letters on the piano. We already know where doghouse D is, so we already know the letter D here. And for the next activity, you can use labeled popsicle sticks. So these are just regular popsicle sticks. You can label them with the letters C, D, E. I am going to use labeled gems. So these are the labeled gems. This is what they look like. And I just labeled the back side of dot stickers. Whoops. And that's how I label these. I actually have the letters A to G here, so we could look for all the letters, the entire musical alphabet on the piano. But let's start to look for doghouse D first, because that is a key that we already know. So here's D, group of 2, in the middle is D. Let's look for another one, group of 2 in the middle, here's another D. And maybe a last one, a lower one, group of 2 in the middle, and there's D right here. Let's see, we found D. Let's look for E. E is on the right side and comes one after D. So here's a gem labeled with the letter E, doghouse D. On the right side of it, it comes right after D is E. Let's look for another E and the low one. There we go. So we found D and E. C comes before D. So let's look for C's. Doghouse D. C comes right before it. Let's look for another C. And here's one. Okay, let's play the 3 C's that we found from low to high. Let's play the 3 Doghouse D keys that we found from low to high. And let's play the 3 E's that we found from low to high. So we can repeat this as often as we want to, but I am going to take the gems on the right and on the left away, so the higher and the lower ones, and we will only focus on the middle set. So we have C, D, E in the middle of the piano here. This is what they sound like. Okay. Let's try to play C, D, and E on the piano again, and let's use our musical alphabet cards to actually compose short little tunes. So let's do this combination first. We have C, D, E, C, D, E. C, D, E, back to C, D, E. Let's change this up a little bit. There we go. Let's try to play this. C, D, C, D, E, E. D, C, D, E, E. We could continue composing short little tunes with the musical alphabet cards, or if you have labeled popsicle sticks with the letters F, G, A, B as well, we could look for the whole musical alphabet on the piano. So far we have C, D, E. What comes after E is F. After F is G. After G is A, because A comes after G in music. After A is B. Then we have C and D. Group of 2 in the middle. It's correct. It brings us back to the Doghouse D key here. So the musical alphabet is just a repeating pattern on the piano keys, just like the key group patterns, the group of 2, 3, 2, 3. The musical alphabet keeps repeating on our piano keys too. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, right here. Okay, so we know how to find C, D, and E on the piano now. We know the musical alphabet, and then there's one more exercise that comes with, or one more activity. It's an off-bench activity. It's the printable that says colorable keys. You can use watercolors, crayons, pencils, whatever you guys prefer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to color all of the white keys in black here. And once we're done with that, we can color code these keys down here. So all the C's in green, all the Doghouse D keys in purple, all the E's in blue. So C green, here's another C green, then Doghouse D, purple, another one that is supposed to be purple here, and then we have E, 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 and so forth. You can focus only on C, D, E for this exercise because those are the ones that we've played, or you could color the entire keyword down here with F, G, A, and B as well. Okay, great. I hope you guys gonna have a lot of fun coloring and looking for keys and learning about the musical alphabet and to actually compose short little tunes with the cards. And I'm super excited about lesson number 3 because in lesson number 3 we will actually start reading music. I hope to see you guys in lesson number 3.